Hey, good evening, everybody. Gil here. It's let's see, about 5:38, and markets. Globex is about to open in about 22 minutes or so. Last week on Friday, we wrapped up a really important session here for the equity markets. I just want to talk to you real briefly. Kicking off this week with the Essential Pass. Really important. Please consider joining and being part of as a subscriber, taking advantage of the Essential Pass. If you want to continue to get access to a number of things here, let's once again just highlight what the Essential Pass is all about. Essential Pass is going to give you complete access every day to the morning brief videos, which we put out every day. Let's take a look. Here they are listed under free Friday morning briefs. Every day, usually an hour and a half, 2 hours before the market opens, I give you my thoughts on all of the markets that we trade here and follow at GTraderPro. So you get a very detailed insight, well in advance of the open, what we believe the markets are going to do and how we're going to approach the start of the day, as well as take a look at the big picture, what should happen during the course of the day. So it's a very insightful video. Many traders find it very, very helpful. In addition to the morning brief, you're going to have, of course, access to the daily G trade. Now, this was the free trade on Friday. I post one here every day. Sometimes I'll post a second one as a bonus. You're going to see at least one trade posted every day, sometimes two. Over the last 2 weeks, we've had 3 to 4 trades out of the week each week. Trigger. Not every day triggers a G-trade, but when they do, they're highly, highly profitable. We've had great success. We've only had 2 stop outs in the last 2 weeks, and we've had great success on the upside. So you're going to get a favorite trade of mine at critical levels. Friday, for example, traders who took the long ES. So here was the trade I put in Friday mid-morning at 10:21. Try to buy the ES at or near 62.63 on any further pullback. That turned out to rally to 62.95, so it was good for 30 points. That was a nice trade. Earlier in the day, we did have about a 10-point stop out, but we picked up a 30-point winner right after that. So it made for a net nice day on Friday. This is the kind of thing. So check it out. You have access to this channel. You can see what we've done in the past. But again, starting to today on Monday, you're going to need to have the Essential Pass to get that. That will be posted every day down here in the morning brief. Right now, the morning brief is blank, as well as the G-Trade is empty. We'll put those in there tomorrow morning. If you want access to tomorrow's morning brief and tomorrow's daily G-Trade of the day, if you want access to those beginning this week, you'll need to message me, and I'll get you set up with a subscription to that. It's only $65 for the entire month. I'm telling you, one trade alone is worth that. You'll also get the daily levels, my daily levels, which I'll start posting again tomorrow. Let's take a look at what I posted on Friday, for example. Friday's free levels. We will continue to give the stuff away on Fridays, but if you want it every single day, you need to subscribe to the Essential Pass. Here's a good one. Crude oil, daily level, resistance 69.40 right here, support 67. This was a humdinger, right? 69.40 down to 67. Let's take a quick look at this. We had a number of traders took advantage of this. This is crude in the lower left-hand corner. 69.40 was resistance, I said. They hit this level after I posted that as the level. 67 was support. They went down to a low of 67.05. So we nailed both sides of it perfectly. Made for a really nice short trade. A number of our G-level members, Gil's Gang members, took full advantage of that trade. Really, really proud of that one. And we're going to look forward to more in crude and gold this week. So again, if you really want to know each and every day what the market's going to be doing and how we're going to approach the markets, you need to be subscribed to the Essential Pass. And again, you'll need to message me, Gil, directly. Send me a DM, and we'll get you set up for that. Again, that will give you access to the daily levels, the daily G-Trade, and the daily morning brief. All right? So please think about that. $65 for the month, and you're going to get a ton of opportunities for that price. again, just send me a DM. Looking forward to what is going to be an exceptionally good week this week. This week is very important. The indices are all putting in important bottoms, so I'm really looking forward to taking advantage of those. Again, if you want daily real-time trade insight, you need to subscribe to the Essential Pass. Start there. Of course, you can always check out the live trade room. If you're new here in the server, by all means, you send me a message and I'll set you up with a 2-week free trial for the live trade room. And I look forward to seeing you all there. Everybody, let's have a great week. Let's see, markets open up in 15 minutes. I'm looking forward to it. And boy, what a good week it's going to be. I look forward to seeing you here this week. Send me a message and we'll get you set up. Thanks, everybody.